has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hey guys, so this is the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is my first flight taking it up. Got everything all set up, updated everything. This is stock controller, no Yagi antenna, no reflector antennas, parabolic reflectors. So I noticed that today there's a lot of interference when I checked. So here, I'm shooting in 4K video.
Fighting the wind.
It's HDR, so the zoom is you can't zoom when you're in HDR. So I just wanted to see how it actually looks. I was outside for this, so I wanted to go towards the church, because right about here is where it gets worse, from here to the across the street. And the signal seems to be okay here, but then I am outside.
Signal usually gets sketchy around here.
Signal's still great, and I find that signal is a great tool.
That's impressive.
It's still good. That surprised me. And then it started going this way.
It does inside.
Signal's still good, so I decided to go inside, but then it went to shit, so I lost connection and had to go outside and reconnect. When I checked the dual band settings, there's a lot of interference. I'll have to check again tomorrow, because usually there's not this much interference. I also checked with my Mini 2 controller. I actually took the Mini 2 controller, bound it to the Air 2 because they use the same thing. And I checked there, I was getting the same thing. So I rebound the original controller to the Mini 2, fired it up, and I was getting the same readings for interference with the Mini 2 as to the Mavic Air, Air 2. So here I'm just checking things out, and it is really windy outside too. So yeah, so right about here I lose connection, and it initiates the return to home. So then I think I stepped outside just to regain connection. So after regaining connection, I think it's just a short flight. It was a 6-minute flight, so we're hitting 4 minutes into the flight. I end up just landing it here. Looks like my horizon's off a little bit. I'm gonna have to recalibrate the gimbal. I did an auto recalibration, but you can do it manually too, just like you can with the Mini 2. So here I'm just bringing it in. I'm gonna have to bring it out to the field and see how the connection is there. But for now, when I'm here, I'm gonna have the Yagis on. That's it. That's the first flight.
Landing.